Angel, tell us a little about some of the art programs you have going on.
Yeah, so if you're looking for something artsy to get into the next week, we've got a ton of exhibits going on down at Harmony Hall. We're featuring our local youth artists. At Public Playhouse, we have Cabaret Noir coming. At Montpelier Arts Center, we have an exhibit about Black civil servants. And right here at Brentwood, The Sound of DC.
And tell us a little bit about, where viewers can go and learn more about this and also come and check this out.
You can learn about all of our upcoming art exhibits at pgparks.com.
Awesome. All right, we're going to head over here to Garvey, who is one of the leads of Determined to Crank, who's going to be playing for us in just a few minutes. Garvey, tell us a little bit about, your band and what this exhibit means for you.
Oh, it means a lot to us, man. Just being able to continue on the legacy that the Grace has built, such as Chuck, Lil Benny, Big G, all them kind of guys. So I just feel good to be able to do what we're doing and push it to the youngest, the youth,
And where can folks come and check you out live?
Listen, follow us, Determined to Crank on Instagram. We update you with all our up-and-coming shows that's coming up. So please, Determined to Crank on Instagram.
Awesome. And you can come check them out right here, right now. So, guys, take it away.